Hi there, this is Marcia coming to you from Florida, and today is a unboxing from Beebeecraft. I signed up to receive product from them. Let's move the camera. You don't need to see all my stuff over there. Okay. Came wrapped like a mummy. I left it in quarantine for 3 days and I wiped it off with my Basic G, which is from Shackley. So if you need a really good disinfectant, that's the company that I use. Shackley's been around for, I think, over 100 years. Close to it, anyway. And the G stands for germicide. Thought I'd throw that in there just to help everybody out. Okay, so let's see the goodies that I received. And this was from a YouTube sponsored promotion, which I'm so excited and thrilled to be a part of. And you only needed 100 subscribers on your channel. So when I hit 100 subscribers, I didn't even know about this. And then I found out about it from another channel, Jovi. And so I was just so excited. Okay, so this is a package which I thought was so super wonderful and exciting because I did not have round punches, and these come in every size imaginable. So isn't that cute? Okay, this is the 3/8 inch size. Set you over there. And then this one, I don't know, is this the next size, but we'll see. Okay, and then this one is 5/8 inch. Eva Foam Maker, I guess is the manufacturer. And then 1 inch. And a 1.5 inch. Okay, so those come in a kit, come in a set. I believe this was $19. So you can check it out. I will put the description, their website link in the description below, but it's Beebeecrafts. And next on my list, I got to choose what I wanted. And this was a pack of stencils, plastic stencils. So I don't know the manufacturer, but again, if you go to their website, you'll be able to see. Oh, great, they come individually wrapped. I love this. So here's one. It looks like different countries around the world on here. And then this one is butterflies. And this one just is various shapes. And I thought this would be good for in my bullet journal. Any of these little banners. And snowflakes, which here in Florida, we don't ever, rarely, haven't seen in who knows when. Ah, this package was a little bit ripped, but that's okay. Okay, snowflakes on this side. That's that. Yeah, you can see it better. It was reversed. Okay, this is fish, tropical. I like that. Okay, and these loose ones. I don't know why that was in there. I forget how many was supposed to be in the set, so we'll go back through and count it. Seems to me like it was like 20 or 25, I'm thinking. Okay, this is a party theme. Candles, balloons, tree. Looks like symbols and numbers, flowers. More, this is thought would be perfect for the bullet journal again. I love this. You could use these little boxes and circles, you know, for your little prompts. And then this one says life is a stage. It has a clock. I loved that clock option. And then just musical instruments, just different cute little things. A candy, paw print, I love you, soap dispenser, butterfly, cupcake, musical note, like for a baby gift. Okay, what do we got here? We have like a carousel. Okay, there we go. And then this one, sticking together. Okay, wedding theme, the wedding dress, the doves, prepping, getting ready. Alrighty, animals, cute, squirrel, elephant, owl, bear, alligator. And then, last but not least, what is this? Snowflake, snowman, a sleigh, some cute little symbols, a heart, another wedding, trees, oh, a reindeer. Oh, that's cute. Alright, so how many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And again, I will go back and look to see how many were supposed to be in this set. And now, alright, let's see what the packing slip says. Does it tell me anything? No, one set, one bag. Alright. That doesn't do me any good. I'll go back to the website. Now these I was very excited about. These are fabric pieces. And let's move the bubble wrap out of the way. Don't need that in our way. Let's take these plastic bags. Put those in the trash. Okay. A bag and a bag. Alright. Doesn't tell you. It seems like there was 20 of these as well. So I tried to pick out things that had, you know, quantity and what I was going to be able to use in my crafts. So today's video is just the unboxing. Then I will do 2 more videos showing you what I'm going to do with the products. Obviously, the punches, I'm going to be making die-cut shapes, different cardstocks, and then showing you how to use them in my journals, with envelopes, tuck spots, to put a tag in a pocket. You make that little curve, thumb groove thing, you know, where you can pick things up. You see that on gift card holders, you know, the little envelope. It has that little notch down in there. You use the circle punch for that. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so we have a blue floral. And we have something that looks like, I don't know, water. I could see this as in a nautical theme. And another floral. Very cute. Springtime. Let's turn it this way. Seems like I thought I had them going the right way. More blue floral. I did a swap in the Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction. I'm moderating for a friend. Really loving every moment. It's a very nice group of ladies. Very, very kind. And this is hearts and flowers. So when I was looking through this and I saw this whole blue stack, which it looks like the majority of this is blue, I thought, oh, that would be perfect. But of course, I knew I was not going to arrive in time, which just arrived a couple days ago. Anywho, so I'm going to make a blue themed project out of this. Florals and blues. Oh, these are cute little animals. They look like little giraffes. That would be cute in a baby theme. This would be another cute one for babies. Bows. Little bubbles. Circles. Polka dot, whatever you want to say. Stripes. Apples. Really, really vibrant dark blue floral LaFleur, I don't know. More light blue and pink floral. Lots of floral, which I love floral. This again would be perfect for a baby. Hearts and moons and little clouds, sleepy time. Oh, that'd be cute, you know, to make a soft cover quiet book for a baby out of these, a little quiet journal. That's what I'll do. That would be cool, so I'll show you that. I'll make that. All the baby theme prints, that's what we'll do. So it will be a soft cover fabric journal, obviously. More floral, which would be cute for a baby. Ah, again, see, perfect for the baby. This will be cute. So we definitely are going to make a baby-themed junk journal. And when I reach 200 subscribers, I will include this baby-themed junk journal as one of my gifts. So I'll do 2 gifts. One will be the $10 credit for my Pioneer Fundraiser Vintage Shop on my Etsy store. And the second gift will be the soft cover baby junk journal. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. Help me to reach that 200 mark. And you can be in the drawing. Okay, here's stars. This would be perfect for the baby one as well. So I will have plenty of fabric to use to make that junk journal. It's going to be adorable. Love this. More blue floral with more like a light purple lavender. And last but not least, another floral. Very pretty. I like the green flowers. The yellow, very, very colorful. I don't know, what is this other, is it flowers or like little, yeah, little flower seed pods, buds. Okay, flower buds. Okay, that's what that is. Flower buds. Okay, now let's count, see how many we had here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Aha. See, I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be 20. Alright, let's count again, see if I missed one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Aha, see, look at that. I miscounted somehow. So there were 20, so this was accurate. So this one I'm not sure, again, like I said, I'll have to go back through and see how many stencils did it say that I was going to get, and then I'm sure that's probably maybe why they threw these here in. I don't know why they're not in their little sleeve. I don't know, but they don't seem to be used in any way. I don't see any marks on them. I don't see any colorings. I don't see any smudges or scratches. So if somebody would have used them, I would be able to see that. Okay, so I will let you know in the project video. Okay, so this video today was just for the unboxing. It is not my normal Thankful Tuesday, which I guess actually this could be a Thankful Tuesday video. So we will incorporate it in there because I am very thankful to my new friend Jovi that I've met in the Junk Journal Junction Facebook group for mentioning this and finding her channel. I really enjoy her channel as well. And so we're both striving for goals. So pop on over to her channel and help her by subscribing to help her reach her goal. And subscribe to my channel and help me reach my goal. So I'm doing a 200 subscriber giveaway and she's doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. So I'm probably about, what, I'm at 109, I was at 110, somebody unsubscribed, shame on you. But anyway, so now I need 91 subscribers to get to my goal. And the last I checked, she was at 454, I believe it was. So she only needs, 46 more to get to her goal. So thank you very much. And please give this a like and a comment, because that helps move me up in the search results, helps people to find me. And I really, really appreciate it, and give everybody an opportunity to grow and to learn from each other. So go ahead and check out Beebeecrafts. Check out my Etsy shop. I'll have that link below. Markets of Sunshine. Our Facebook group. Subscribe to my channel. Sign up for my VIP coupon club. And then I'll answer the 2 questions for our group. And then I will review it. And if everything checks out wonderful, then I will approve you. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful sunshiny day. Bye-bye.